Hey guys, I'm back, and in this video I want to talk about a simple conversation in Persian. Okay guys, as you know that in Persian we have a very huge gap between formal and informal. Formal ways only used in very special events or meetings and in academic writings. But informal almost used in everyday situation. Also in social media we chat like in informal way. So if you want to speak like a native speaker, it's very important to talk and learn the informal ways of speaking. If you talk formal, you are very understandable and it's okay. But it sounds weird for a native speaker and it sounds like you talk like a robot. And maybe it's sweet, but if you really want to like a native Farsi speaker, you should learn how to speak informal. In this video, I have prepared you a simple conversation from greeting and say hello, how are you, and other stuff, okay, and in an informal way. So you use it in informal situation and with your close friends. Okay, let's see. سلام، حالت چطوره؟ سلام، حالت چطوره؟ Hi, how are you? سلام، خوبم مرسی. سلام، خوبم مرسی. Hi, I'm fine, thanks. تو چطوری؟ تو چطوری؟ And you, or and how are you? منم خوبم مرسی. منم خوبم مرسی. I'm fine, thanks. چند سالته؟ چند سالته؟ چند سالته؟ Okay guys, when I want to say چند سالته, we never say چند سالته. It's like چند سالته. چند سالته. No one says چند سالته. Okay, چند سالته means how old are you? 29 سالمه. 29 سالمه. I'm 29. 29 سالمه. تو چی؟ And you? تو چی؟ من 20 سالمه. I'm 20 years old. Or I'm 20. Now you know how to greet someone and ask their age. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment below. And if you like this video, put the thumbs up. See you. Goodbye. Khaddafez.